So close. I think there's another one coming. Just hold on. Where are you? I've been sitting here for hours doing this. So please share. I'm trying to be quiet. Sorry if I sound weird. Wait, where are you? Oh, hold on. He's right behind me. Let's hope he lands. I won't turn it around so I don't scare him away. No, there he is. There he is. He's coming. Alright. Thanks for watching. Share, guys. And I'll catch you all in the